Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel R&S collection. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection you see the ideas of haircut, hairstyle, bob haircut, short haircut, top styling haircut. Haircut is very important, and when you take any haircut your personality automatically change. You look so pretty, you look so nice. Guys, regular haircut deals with hair breakage. An important sign of damaged hair is split end. Minimize dandruff and dry scalp. A good routine encourages hair growth. It is a form of self-care. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And this collection is all about new trending and latest collection. Latest collection is only for you. So thank you so much guys to watch the videos. Like to my video, share to my video. Haircut is very amazing. Take a picture, go to a salon and take a beautiful haircut.